Email marketing stands as a powerful tool when executed with precision. Discover how to amplify your campaigns effectively. Data decay can sabotage your efforts, making it vital to regularly clean your email list. Remove inactive and incorrect addresses consistently. Re-engagement emails can breathe new life into your campaigns, rekindling connections with disengaged customers. Let technology simplify this process for you. Segmenting your email list is crucial for delivering tailored messages. Personalized emails resonate better, enhancing your customers' engagement experience. Beware of purchasing email lists. This shortcut often leads to unverified contacts and increased spam complaints that hurt your reputation. Building your email list organically fosters genuine relationships while ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. It's the cornerstone of successful marketing. Maintaining consistent email frequency helps build familiarity and trust with your audience. Use scheduling tools to stay connected effortlessly. Creating engaging content is essential to captivate your audience. A well-designed email not only attracts attention but also strengthens your brand image. Utilizing features like A/B testing and analytics can transform your strategy. Find out what truly resonates by analyzing your audience's preferences. Elevate your email marketing game with iContact's innovative tools. Streamline your campaigns and unlock the potential for greater success today.